Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again, and in this video I will teach you how to use face morphing effects on the TikTok videos, and this video is so informative, so don't skip any single of frame. Let's see this video till the end and enjoy this video. First, go to TikTok apps. After that, you will see discover a phone. Then click on it. After that, on the address bar, you need to search FaceMorphing. Then you need to click on videos. After that, you can choose any of videos which have been already used FaceMorphing effects. Then I chose this one. After that, you will see share icon. Then click on it. After that, you will see use this template option. Then click on it. After clicking this template, you will see my journey template. This is face morphing templates. You can upload 2 or 5 photos for this magic. So if you want to make this type of video, then you need to click on select photos. Then you can select 2, 3, 4, 5 photos. Then press on OK. Now let's have a look how does it looks. I think you guys understand, and if you get understand, then don't forget to thumbs up, comment below down, and which topics you want to see in the next video, comment below down, and don't share our channel with your friends, and please do subscribe. Bye bye, we'll see you in the next video.